All right, everybody, we just finished up the Porsche Macan S-Detail that we coated with the DIY brand new T2 5-year coating. Amazing coating, so super slick. It's been about an hour. That reminds me, I gotta get you some hydrophobic performance. You'll see that at the end of the video, but you get a nice package nowadays with DIY Detail, flip open style box, comes with the applicator, comes with the coating, also makes as an amazing Cody caddy to follow you around the vehicle while you're coating, so good deal. We saw it work on paint. Flash time was about 2 minutes here. It's super hot. You see these sweat beads? Still hot here in the swamp. So I'm sweating it out here, drip dropping on the coating. It is what it is, so no problems there. Easy on, easy off, about 2 minutes here in the super high humidity. Put it on glass, no problems. We put it on the back, the trim on the back and the front, no problems. Soaked into the plastics, darkened them up, and we're gonna get some quality protection from the DIY T2 5-year. What improved? Instabond technology. So in an hour, we can get some water behavior and it's ready to go and get out the shop. Glossier, I can agree, because it's glossing up. Of course, over time, next couple of days, up to 7 days, it's gonna fully cure and it's gonna be glossed to the max. Slate gray is a hard paint to not only work on. You saw the flashing was even hard to pick up on camera, but it's also a hard paint to pop, and this looks absolutely phenomenal, especially with the gloss black bits and the deep dark plastic after coating them with DIY 5-year. Just made for a fantastic user and end result experience. And that's what I got on this one, everybody. I'm going to do some voiceover action now and show you the process from the beginning of polishing with a little gold standard action. We had the 25mm, we had the app polish, we used the 8mm Thoreau Hercules. I think it's 8mm. Doesn't really say. What kind of throw is this thing? Pretty sure it's 8mm. Anyway, this thing vibrates your hands off. I don't recommend this one. Ivan sent me a link for a good one that I'm going to have to get for the app polish. Wouldn't recommend that one. It vibrates. My hand still hurts. Can't feel nothing. But anyway, you don't want vibration. That can cause long-term nerve damage and numbness. You don't want that. So anyway, let's get into the video of checking out the brand new DIY T2 5-year coating. So as you can see, after wash and decontamination, the car looks phenomenal, and it almost was pretty flawless paint. Really good shape, except for all the bug etchings. Riddled through the hood, the front bumper with the Porsche Macan. So we gotta cut these out the paint before applying the app polish. So we're gonna team up the gold standard polishing system for DIY. Gold standard waffle pad on the 25mm cutting machine. And we're going to go to town with the gold standard polish. As you know, super long work time, and it was just the thing for the job. Obviously, these weren't long-term etched-in bug etchings. Fresh car from the dealership, but that's how fast them Louisiana bugs etch into the paint, so it was real easy to get them out with the gold standard polish and the waffle pad. No problems. And then we're going to switch over to the app. So you can see after cutting the right side of the paint, we got a good before and after. Bug splatters all over the left side and nice crystal clear paint on the right side. So just the combo to do the job to cut out these light bug etchings. Now it's time to get into the app polish. We got our 8mm Thoreau Hercules cordless sander. We got the app polish. A little dab will do you, and you're off to the races. You just apply this stuff nice lightly kind of manner, and you're going to have an easy wipe off, and it preps that paint so we don't have to do a panel prep, and it finishes kind of jeweling that paint for us with that red jeweling pad. Makes the paint pop a little more, fully preps it. I like the app a lot. And like I said, wipe off's easy peasy, especially with a good Freebird 400 towel, now in the red variant, and wipe off was super easy with the app. So really, really nice time with the app polish I've been having the last few weeks with the gold standard polishing system. Now we're all prepped up, ready to apply that 5-year T2 ceramic coating. The DIY 5-year T2 ceramic coating, first of all, comes in a nice, beautiful package. Kind of the cigar box kind of style, flip top to open. And you're going to be presented with the coating and an applicator itself, keeping everything nice and tidy for you. It's a fantastic little kit here. So, Ivan's little pad takes a little getting used to. when you first start playing around with it, but if you master it, it's really, really nice applicator. It only takes a couple drops to prime their coatings. You were checking out that label, that T2 ceramic coating. Make sure you give the bottle a good shake before drip dropping, of course. And watch this, we only need just a couple drops even to prime the applicator. About 8 to 10 drops there, and that's all you need for these foam type applicators to smoothly apply it to the paint. So when priming your pad and working in your area, you're going to make you a nice little draw line down the middle, map out your area and box it in about a 2x2, 2x3 area. With this coating though, you can get pretty brave with it and do multiple panels at a time, really no problem. Super easy coating, and I was applying in hot, humid weather. And check out the box. It makes as a beautiful coating caddy for you. Holds the bottle real nice, holds the pad for you. And now let's check on the coating, see how it's doing. It's really hard to see on the slate gray paint, but what I was seeing in person is some pretty heavy rainbowing going on. You wait for those rainbows to dissipate to about the 50% mark, and then you're ready for wipe off. Today it was about a 2-minute flash time, and you were ready to start wiping off to a beautifully smooth finish. Super easy application. After your pad's all primed up, it only takes a few drops. That was like 4 or 5, and you're ready to go for your next part of your panel or your next whole panel. Little dabble do you when using the foam applicator with the DIY Detail T2 5-year coating. And as you can tell, we're applying to paint badges, the headlights, so multi-purpose coating. And next, we'll test it on the front windshield. Application to your front windshield is very similar to application on the glass. You just make you a draw line, fill in the box, do half a windshield at a time, and level when about 50% of the rainbowing flashes off the windshield. Easy peasy. On the windshield here, I'm able to get you some good shots of the rainbowing effect. That's what it's going to look like. You can see the long lines it's getting after it evaporates off the surface, and how easy the wipe off was right there on that test spot in the corner. That's when you know you're ready for that smooth wipe off. I'm using the level 1 towels, and the final level towels makes the process even easier. And after all our painted and glass is all coated up, now it's time for the trim. Don't even have to apply more. The sponge is, saturated enough to pretty much do all the trim around the vehicle. Just work it into the material. It's going to darken it up. It's going to protect it for the long haul. And now this Porsche is all coated up with the 5-year T2. Now we're going to get into the main event, the water behavior. And yes, this is literally in about an hour and a half, 2 hours afterwards. The Instabond technology has gone to work. It's secured where you can get this coating wet. You're still not going to want to wash it for, about a week to introduce the chemicals, but water, you're good to go. You can drive right into the elements just an hour after applying, and that's what makes this coating super DIY friendly as well. So easy application, and can be driven straight into the elements an hour later. It doesn't get any easier and straightforward than that. And he nailed it again. Ivan with this 5-year T2. Yeah, as you can see, maximum gloss is, as he likes to say, this one is the glossiest of the 3 DIY coatings. I think it delivered, especially on the slate gray. That's a hard paint to pop. And we pulled it off with a DIY Detail T2 5-year. Cut off the bug etchings with the gold standard, jeweled it up with the app polish, and laid down a beautiful coating to every surface of the vehicle, from the headlights to the paint to the glass to the trim. And that's going to do it. It's all slicked up and ready to get back to the client. Look at how slick that windshield is. So when I mean it's slicked up, it is slicked up. That's all we got on this one, everybody. We'll catch you on the next one. If you're looking for any links, I'll have them below. Check them out. This is my new end screen because they deleted my app I was subscribed to. Shout out to Adobe for deleting apps. Now I got to learn Premiere Pro. You know what? It's going to make me better. Better videos to come. See you on the next one.